children, question number 12. We'll go for the second method. First method I explained. Now second method. The question is verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. That is given. Okay. We know the formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, from 8th identity, that is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity. Okay, from that we will do it now. In this LHS side is here and this is the RHS side. Here RHS. We will simplify RHS side now. We have to get LHS. Now RHS, from RHS. For RHS what we have to do? Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide with 2. With 2. Okay. Then multiply here. First one I am doing division 1 by 2 into 2. Multiplying and dividing. If cancel, you get same one only. Now write this one. X plus y plus z into, this is no change, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This 2 multiply with the second term, every term. Total how many terms are there? 6 terms. Multiply with that whole. 1 by 2 no change. X plus y plus z into 2x square. Multiplying each and every term. 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Multiply with every term. Okay. Now this one 2x square also you split like x square plus y square, and this term also y square plus y square, y square plus y square. Next z square also split it like z square plus z square. Okay, split it. This is no change, half into x plus y plus z, same. This 2x square like x square plus x square, x square plus x square. Second term 2y square is splitting like y square plus y square. Next here z square plus z square. This is no change, minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. That is same. Okay. Now this little change in this x square plus y square minus 2xy together. First one I am writing here half into, same, this is half into x plus y plus z. Okay. Here now what is there here? X square plus y square minus 2xy. I am writing together x square plus y square minus 2xy. That is the first term. Okay. Second term x square, here y square plus z square minus 2yz together. Now what is that? Y square plus z square minus 2yz together. This is the middle plus y square plus z square minus 2yz. And what is the remaining? X square plus z square. These two. X square plus z square minus 2zx. Right, that also. X square plus z square minus 2zx. Here how it is looking like here? A square plus b square minus 2ab model. Every term like that only. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab model. Okay, write it there. Half into x plus y plus z into, what is here? How to write this one? X minus y whole square. X minus y whole square. Second term minus z whole square. And last term plus x minus z whole square. Children, observe what is the right side answer in this. What is answer here? Half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z x minus z, or this one is write as z minus x whole square. If you write same, you will get same thing on x square plus z square minus 2zx. Right? Little change in this z minus x whole square. Clear, children? Here half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square first term plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. That is proved from identity. That is from identity. We know x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. For that, what I did here? Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide with 2. That I changed. 1 by 2 into 2. Then 2 multiply for second term. Then we got it like a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Here x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. That is from this what we got? RHS. That is the second method, which is easy, that you can choose, children.